How to log in into your Milestone Credit Card account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let me head over to Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Milestone Credit Card Login. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to this site, Milestone Card, apply quickly and easily. It will be landing you on this page. In here, what you want to do is click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner and then proceed to My Account. Once you click on My Account, you will be landing on this page. In here, what you want to do is first of all enter the username of your account. Once you have entered your username, enter the password that you have created before. Once you have entered the username and the password, click on Login and you will be logged into your Milestone Credit Card account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Milestone Credit Card account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.